Ante Kvartuc here in beautiful San Francisco on a very cold day with Prva Generacija member Ivo Miljanovic. Ivo.
Hi, how are you doing? I'm very nice. I'm pleased to meet you, and you and Denis Vistanic and Denis Svercic too, and Nicole too.
We just came up from the Tottenham game in San Jose and gave Ivo a ring, and we've been hanging out with him for a few hours. So what'd you think of the whole Tottenham thing that we filmed yesterday?
Well, like the post was interesting, and the interview too, and this Redknapp guy is really awesome. I like him a lot. But the thing is that the match was kind of boring, but was worth it just to wait for the post for CSR. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now I see you have a little accent here, a little Spanish accent. Tell us a little bit where you're from.
Actually Peruvian. Peruvian born. I'm half Croatian. Sadly, I don't speak Croatian, but I'm learning. In just some hours, I'm learning some words with you guys. And well, yeah, I was following the CSR since I was living in Peru, back in Peru. Yeah.
You said you don't speak much, but you learned all the important stuff in the last 5 minutes in the car with us. I can tell you that. You haven't been to Croatia, you don't speak it, but you do have 2 Croatian tattoos. You mind showing us?
Well, I have this one. Well, you know, if you can read it. Sadam spremni, and have this other one, and I'm making more room somewhere else, and I made them back in Peru. They meant a lot, you know, for me and my family too. They very into Croatia.
So you definitely want to embrace your Croatian heritage. I see.
Yeah.
That's what the tattoos mean.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
And last, before we go from San Francisco, because it's absolutely freezing out here and I didn't bring a jacket. How's CSR doing? How are we doing? Any comments, complaints? What would you like to say to everyone?
Well, I like the website, and I'm enjoying every post that you make. Well, I've been discussing a little bit with you about the questions and the polls, but basically it's nice and it's growing very fast. We have a new generation now. It's not just Prva Generacija, it's a new generation, and luckily we'll be growing more and adding more Spanish-speaking people to of Croatian heritage.
We'll try to get the Spanish speakers down there from South America, but for right now, we're in San Francisco. We're going to go grab a beer, and everyone, Ivo wants a Spaten right now. We're going to go get a Spaten. Thank you very much for your time, Ivo. It was a pleasure joining you and talking to you.
It was a pleasure talking to you, and let's get those Spaten coming.
To all the Prva Generacija members, you're on the list. Ivo's checked off, Lachkovic is checked off, and Ante BBB is checked off. So who's next?